Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The caregiver of Zainul Hasan Geno Islamic Boarding School, Kiai Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakkil Allah SHMM, Associate Professor Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahabi, AMAG, Director of Zainul Hasan Geno Islamic University. My respected, uh, my respected lecturer and professor, Dr. Zainuddin MPD. First, I wanna introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Muiz. You can call me Muiz. I'm come from Gerangan, Maron Probolinggo. Okay, I'm here wanna explain about grammar in context and listening conversation. English is an important language that is widely used for communication, education, and global introduction. In learning English, students need to master not only grammar rules but also listening skill to improve aspect in English learning are grammar in context and listening conversation. This aspect help students understand how English is used in real situation and improve overall language proficiency. The first, grammar in context. Grammar in context refers to learning grammar throughout real situation, sentence, or text instead of learning rules separately. This approach helps students understand how grammar is naturally used in communication. When grammar is taught in context, students can see how sentence structure, tenses, and expression are used in meaningful situations. For example, students learning simple past tense track a story about past experience rather than memorizing formulas only. Example of grammar in context. She went to school yesterday. They are studying English in classroom. I have finished my homeworks. By learning grammar in context, students can understand grammar more easily. Usually, use grammar correctly in speaking and writing. Avoid conversation that applying grammar rules. This method makes grammar learning more interesting and practical because students learning grammar track real example and daily situation. Number two, listening comprehension. Listening comprehension is the ability to understand spoken English. It is a essential skill because listening is often the first step in communication. Students need good listening skill to understand, introduce conversation, and information in English. Listening conversation involves understanding, meaning idioms, scientific information, production, and intonation. Meaning from context. Students can improve their listening conversation by listening to English song, watching movie or video English, listening to podcast or audio reductions, practicing listening exercise in class, example of listening activities. Listening to a short uh, dialogues and answering question, listening to introduction and following them, listening to a story and Inevitably key information. Good listening conversation helps students respond appropriately in conversation and improve the speaking ability. Relationship between grammar in contact and listening conversation. Grammar is contact. Listening conversation are closely related. When students listening to spoken English, they can hear how grammar is used natural. Job listening activity. Student learning sentence pattern, verb, tenses, and expression in real communication. By combining grammar learning with listening practice, students can better understand English and using it more accurately in both spoken and written form. Just for me, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.